Okay.
All right, here we go. All right, welcome back. We're gonna break down, I have my beautiful stunt double, Miss Liv. We're gonna break down how to make your home a little bit more friendly for floor time. So what we're gonna do is get yourself, first of all, get a nice low table like this, or any chair works perfectly for a low floor table. So we're gonna bring beautiful Liv down to this territory. So we're gonna start off, we're going to sit down on to the ground and just see what that looks like.
Crisscross applesauce?
Crisscross applesauce, yeah. So, the common mistake with people when we're sitting on the ground is our hips are gonna be below the knees, which puts our spine at a disadvantageous position to be stable. So we're gonna do to fix that. So what you'll see right now, if I push down on Liv's shoulders here, she's very strong, so she can fake it, but you can see I can kind of collapse really easily here. So what we want instead is we want to raise her tuchus up above the ground a little bit. I'm gonna get another cushion actually as well. Raise, that's actually pretty good already.
Oh, cool.
One more. Bam! And then from here, in this position, now all of a sudden her sit bones are sitting on the front edge, and now her lumbar spine, sacrum, all that stuff is nice and stabilized, and I can push straight down through those shoulders. Have you hinge yourself forward just a little bit more. Boom. Now from here, all of a sudden I can drive a buttload of weight down through Liv's shoulders, and it actually becomes more of like a therapeutic massage. So now our body's working in the field of gravity as opposed to against it. That's the first position. Next thing from here is playing with a 90-90 position. So Liv's going to bring her legs like this. Boop. So both legs are in 90-90, just like that. So now we're working with medial rotation of the left hip in this case, and external rotation of the opposite one. And then we can, with our hands free, we're gonna go up, across, oof, and go to the other side. So now, as we're sitting at our desk, checking our Instagrams or emails or what have you, we're also mobilizing ourselves and circulating all this lymphatic fluid and healing our bodies while we're at work. Next position is we're gonna go into a kneeling position, or a seiza, which in Japanese means correct sitting.
On this?
Yeah, so throw this guy away, and then get yourself like that, bam.
Okay.
And now we can have the computer here, or the Aligned Method book, no big deal, in front of us, and we could be working like that. Next position that we could go is go up into a toe sit, pow, bam, like that. So get up on your little toesies. Boom! And then all the way down, sitting in. Now we're opening up through this plantar fascia. We're starting to get into a little bit deeper dorsiflexion with the ankles. You'll probably stay in this position for maybe 30 seconds before it feels pretty darn terrible. And then you can come back down, boom, into here. And then, if you're working at your home, you can bring yourself down onto the floor. So have you bring yourself right here on the carpet. And then we're gonna go down and we're gonna throw a pillow underneath beautiful Liv's hips. Like this is a huge pillow.
Yep.
So we're gonna get a blanket instead. That's pretty good, actually.
That's comfortable. Okay, guys.
Yeah, so throw the blanket. So the blanket's gonna go right into the hips.
Okay.
That way it raises the hips up slightly, and we're gonna take a little bit of that excessive extension out of the lumbar spine. And then Liv's gonna get up on her forearms, like a sphinx out in Egypt. And we're in here, and we're gonna create some length up through our cervical spine, our neck. We're gonna press our elbows down to the ground, and then we have our reading material in front. Once again, shameless promotion, and this is our position. So, go through those 4 positions. Each one you can be in for like 15 minutes or so. You can play with working on the side, play with working on the other side, and then alternate, and that way your whole entire work day becomes a yoga session.
Woo! Yeah!